Today I'm going to share with you how easy it is to turn a regular box or a box that some item came in that you want to upcycle instead of getting rid of cardboard. This is just a pizza box. To turn a regular box into a very pretty gift box, and it's quite simple. So what you're going to need is a box. Any kind of box will do, and I actually think it works better if your box is assembled. I tried it laying it out flat. It doesn't work so well. So assemble your box. You're also going to need some napkins. Now I like these lunch napkins, and they're very, very inexpensive. Got these at Dollarama for $1.25, but they are biodegradable. They have water-based colors. They're environmentally friendly, and they are bleached with oxygen instead of chlorine. So there's no chlorine in them either. So, you know, they're pretty inexpensive, and they are a good choice if you're obviously recycling boxes. Only other things you're going to need is a paintbrush. You may want a pair of scissors, maybe not, and your homemade food grade Mod Podge. If you're going to be using these boxes for cookies, because these are perfect for like chocolate truffles or cookies or any kind of homemade treats. Since this one is a pizza box, if you're going to use it for a food grade item, and you also want to be able to compost it or recycle it in the future, you want to use a good food grade Mod Podge like my homemade recipe that I will link in the description box below, and it's really simple to make. So let's get started. So just get your napkins out and open your box and turn it over. Peel the layers off your napkin so you have only the patterned layer. You can set these aside for another use. Paint a thin layer of your Mod Podge all over the box. Now place your napkin on top and line up the edges. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Now paint over top with a little more Mod Podge, and wrinkles there are a good thing. It adds a little bit of vintage style to it. Use your fingers and go around the edges to remove any paper as needed. Once you paint the edges with the Mod Podge, it makes it very easy to peel off any excess paper. And just use your finger and mold it around the edges. We'll continue until the box is covered. Don't worry if you have an odd shaped box. You can just tear off small sections of your napkin and patch it in wherever you need to add a little pattern. There, you can just cut it out with some scissors. Just paint over the entire box with one more layer of podge, and then let it fully dry, which is about 2 hours. Once it's dry, you can add some gold gel ink or embellish it as you like with any glitter or outline anything with a marker, whatever you think will make it look pretty. So there you have it. We went with just a regular, simple, inexpensive box, or an upcycled box that you got some packaging and you just want to cover up the branding and stuff on it, with a few paper towels, some Mod Podge. The homemade one is the best, that I will link in the description box below. And now we have a beautiful and quite sturdy gift box, because that Mod Podge dries quite hard, that you can use for pretty much anything. You can put cookies in there or chocolates. You can even use it for a t-shirt. Well, it was a pretty simple and fun project, and I hope you enjoyed it.